introduction that we miss, and I don't want to miss, is some of you know who Carmen Lujan is, right? Carmen's my mom, and she's here as well. We just give her a little round of applause as well. And Ron, to be able to thank you for advocating for our seniors every day, for making a difference in our community. A simple thank you doesn't even go far enough, but our gratitude for the work you do is so appreciated. To all of our leaders here at the center for the work that you provide, our board, many of our board members are here today as well, our volunteers, thank you for your work. Mayor Koss, for never forgetting that we're a community of working people, and working people need our help. And also never forgetting that we were brought up to respect our elders, respect our seniors, our grandmas, our grandpas, our tios, our tias, and our moms and dads. And you never forgotten that, and that's why it's so special that you always advocate for our seniors here in the city of Santa Fe. Thank you. We have a few times to have conversations, not only here at the Mary Esther Gonzales Senior Center, but at senior centers all over New Mexico. And I want to say thank you, because there hasn't been once that we've talked that I haven't heard from many, if not all of our seniors, to say, protect Medicare. What are they thinking? Now we hear they want to privatize Social Security again. Tell them hands off. Hands off. I want to say thank you, because it's that advocacy that we're here today to talk about. Those visits that we've had with town halls, Congress on your corners, conversations with Ben, that's what it's about. It's about listening. And we need you to speak up. We need to hear from our seniors and make sure that all across this great nation of ours, that they're hearing what we're hearing in Santa Fe, all over New Mexico, is protect our Medicare and hands off our Social Security. And I want to say thank you again. Funding centers here in New Mexico, we know, has been a challenge. And when it's a day for you to go and visit with your local electeds, with Lucky, with Jim, with our county commission and our city council, our mayor, our seniors show up in numbers. And you advocate for the protection of these services. We need your help again. Unfortunately, we've seen attacks from Republicans in Congress. The Ryan budget plan, who our colleagues don't want to talk about anymore, who wanted to privatize and move a voucher program. Ending one of the safety net programs and bedrocks that's helped seniors. Now we've had another member of Congress who's introduced a privatization of Social Security. It gets worse every day. Just yesterday, we had a presidential candidate of the GOP say that not only did he write this in his book and reaffirm it, but he called Social Security a Ponzi scheme. You know, enough's enough. And there's no question that we face serious issues when it comes to our national debt. But rather than looking for ways to cut Medicare benefits and Social Security benefits, privatizing Social Security, House Republicans should join our efforts to find a balanced approach that preserves two of the most important bedrock programs in our nation's history, Medicare and Social Security. Sadly, rather than choosing to end tax deductions and tax credits and incentives for people who own private jets and yachts, they've chosen to leave that on the table and say, don't worry, the seniors can pay a little bit more. It's just not right. Middle-class Americans have paid the price during this tough economic time. And we know that that's why we're here today. We're here to make sure we reaffirm our commitment to working people all across America, that we talk about job creation, but that we make sure that no one in the House of Representatives, no one anywhere in the United States ever forgets the importance of advocating for protecting Medicare and Social Security. With that, I want to introduce a dear friend of ours, someone that's been a tireless advocate, someone who knows what it's like to have to take care of their mom, of their dad, to make sure that the programs associated with Medicare provided support so she could work a little bit more while she provided for her mom and dad. And I want to introduce Ileana Diaz-Duval with the New Mexico Alliance for Retired Americans to tell you what these important benefits mean to all New Mexicans. Ileana.